it's your big boy Lance here. And today guys, we have a new unboxing. So this time guys, it belongs to my Tito Baby. So let's go! We're back for another Jordan 1 unboxing. Dahil kasi guys, wala lang hinto on Jordan 1. Ay, grabe. Halos every other week may bagong release na naman. Wala na akong pera. Ay, di pala. Sakali lang pala yun. And may bago naman guys na lalabas. Ang Nike SB Dunk. Abangan nyo yan guys ha. And I wish na makakakuha sila Tito Grela at sila Tita Marie para ma-unbox namin sa aming channel. Alright guys, so let's open the box. Wow! Astigmatism. Okay guys, so this sneaker is called the Jordan 1 Low Pinegreen. Yeah. So kakulay siya guys ng off-white dunks na pine green din. So pwede din tawag sa kanya guys is the poor man's off-white dunks. Yeah. And sa material naman guys, kamukha lang sila nung dun sa noble red, patent leather and vinyl textured leather. So let's take a closer look at this sneaker. On the toe box we got this white patent leather, and on the map guard we have this green vinyl-like material. Moving up, we got this green flat lace and a green tongue with the Jumpman logo at the top. Up next, on the lateral side and medial side, we have this white patent leather and a black patent leather swoosh. Going to the back, we got this green heel counter with the Wings logo stitched in black. Now onto the midsole, we got this defective stitching on the left pair right here. As you can see, the stitching on this side is defective because two threads was stitched outside the line. And I guess that's the risk when you ordered online. Sometimes it's just bad luck. Anyways, moving inside, we have this green lining and a green insole with the Jumpman logo. And lastly, we have this green outsole. Here is the all-fit look.
Cut it out in half and I flipped it in a double. Cut it out in half and I flipped it in a double. Said I'm again, we gotta go. Take one, then I dash away from pole. Yeah, snakes around my grass, they want my dough. But I keep a 40, they don't know, no. Got the Henny, you get cold. Smoke on Reggie, that's a no. Driving slow-mo in the photo. Bitches ready for them photos. I see all the things on my mind, yeah. Stacking money like 365. Cause this shit is real. Cause this shit is real. Cause this shit is real. Don't say you get money, boy, you been broke. Digit dash up in my circle, you can roll. Only cash up in my vision and the south. Now I'm smashing on the model cause I bought. Hey,
Okay guys, so this sneaker looks really cool and perfect if not for the defective stitching. My uncle did not bother returning it back because there's no size left and it will be a hassle for him to return it. But nonetheless, this colorway still looks great and will fit on anything. Alright guys, that's it for our unboxing of the Jordan 1 Low Pinegreen. Please follow me on Instagram, Last Minute Vlogs. Please follow me on Facebook, Last Minute Vlogs. Please support our channel by not skipping ads. Thank you for watching. Please leave us a like, subscribe for more videos. Please don't forget to hit the notification bell for Last Minute Vlogs. Peace and God bless. Bye-bye!